Are you the potter or the clay? So alam natin yung trabaho ng isang potter. It is someone who makes bowls, plates, or dishes out of clay. So sa ating relationship with God, it is also being compared sa relationship ng isang potter sa clay. Yung potter ang nagde-decide kung ano yung shape or design ng kanyang gagawin out of clay. At yung clay is walang power na sabihin niya sa potter na ito yung design na gusto ko or ito yung shape na gusto ko. This is a reminder to all of us to reflect na paano na ba tayo nagdadasal. It's okay to tell God lahat ng mga desires ng puso natin, pero make it sure na nandun pa rin yung total surrender, na every time we tell God the desires of our hearts, nandun yung openness natin na Lord, kung ito talaga yung will mo para sa akin, then let it happen or let thy will be done pa rin. Taka kasi ang nangyayari